Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a black 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 4x4 Crew Cab LT, stock number 18C521A. Starting up front, you have heavy-duty tow hooks and factory fog lights. You've got this sharp Z71 badging here. Coming across the hood, that is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim here that is wrapped in an 18-inch Goodyear Wrangler tire. Inside you have a black cloth upholstery which is in fantastic condition. That centerpiece does fold up for an optional third seat. Coming back to the second row, you have seating for 3 back here as well. You've got this great Z71 off-road bedside decal here. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There are side steps here on the back bumper. You've also got a trailer hitch and backup sensors. There is a backup camera. Inside of the truck bed, you have a drop-in bed liner. That's in great shape. It is very clean back here. And the reason that I'm showing you this Chevrolet today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments. To the left of the steering wheel, you have an integrated trailer brake control and a 4x4 turn dial control. As we take a step inside on the steering wheel here to the left side, you have cruise control buttons. To the right-hand side, you have audio controls. Coming up above the rear view mirror, there are HomeLink garage door opener buttons, and this is also equipped with OnStar. Coming down to the center, you've got a great touchscreen display here. This is actually where your backup camera shows. You do have a CD player along with an AM/FM radio, and you've also got capabilities for OnStar navigation. Coming down underneath of that, you've got buttons here for heated front row seating, and there are also dual climate controls. Coming down further, there's a button for a power adjustable pedal, as well as your traction control and hill descent control. You do have a 6-speed automatic transmission with a 5.3-liter V6 engine and highway mileage that's going to get you around 22 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Silverado or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.